the road?
I can't remember what happened, but I know the car that I was driving with my husband, it went over into an embankment, deep embankment, and I came out without a scratch. What I can say, God was in this. This was all God. Because for me to walk out from that accident, I should not be here standing here talking to this reporter. I should have been down there in the hospital or dead. But I want to tell people of Jamaica that God is a miracle working God that is still do supernatural favor, that I could come out without a scratch and standing on my 2 feet and giving the testimony to God to say God is awesome, and to tell people out there, if you're not serving God, it's time to turn your life around and serve God. Let me be a testimony that God could save me from such a horrible accident. I'm standing here talking this morning. I give God the glory, I give him the honor, and I give him the praises.